In this video, let us see how to change the display resolution on a Mac running macOS 26. First, click the Apple menu in the top left corner of the screen. Select System Settings. In System Settings, scroll down and click Displays. If you have more than one display connected to your Mac, you will see the available displays at the top. Select the display whose resolution you want to change. Each connected display can have its own display settings. Under the selected display, you can see the available resolutions. The resolution marked as default is the resolution currently recommended by macOS for that display. To change the resolution, simply select another resolution from the list. For example, we can select 1920 by 1080. The display resolution changes immediately. By default, macOS may show only a few commonly used resolutions. If you want to see more options, enable Show All Resolutions. You can now see the complete list of resolutions available for that display. Select whichever resolution you want to use. Keep in mind that the resolutions available here depend on the display connected to your Mac. Also, changing the resolution can sometimes affect the available refresh rate. For example, a display may support 60 Hz at one resolution, while another resolution may use 30 Hz or provide different refresh rate options. You can check the current refresh rate under the refresh rate setting. If you have multiple displays, select another display at the top to change its resolution separately. And that is how you can change the display resolution and view all available resolutions on macOS 26. Thank you for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to the Program Guru channel for more macOS tutorials.